Hey, check it out. Look at this dollhouse. I have been looking for a dollhouse similar to this all last year and this year so far because I want to make it into a haunted house. Now, I got this Tuesday at the Art Thrift store. I was going to the Dollar Tree, which is right next door, and I've been so unlucky there lately that I wasn't even going to go in, and I changed my mind, and I am so glad that I did. Now you can see that it's missing a piece here. Should have another piece like this, but everything, it is broken a little bit here, but I can fix that. And I'm just gonna take that other piece off. I really just want this middle section. Now, can you guess how much I paid for it? Put something in the comments below. I'll let you know more towards the end because the price is down here, but I'm not gonna show you that yet. But let me turn this around. It does have a lot of details on the inside too. So this can even be decorated on the inside. Now I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and give you a closer look at the dollhouse. I'm going to go ahead and start on the inside. You can see that there's lots of details. There's actually a doorbell. This thing holds batteries and I still can't get it to work, so that's okay though. But check out the details. You can see, I'm sorry if it's a little dark. Got all kinds of details in here. It's got the floor. It's even got little rugs like that. Even this side over here. I might do something different with this. I kind of like it. It's got a lot of detail to it. I may be able to do something with it. I don't know. I really like this. Let me come up here. I got details of the windows. And this one has a rug. Yeah, I really like this. It's missing a window up here, I guess. The door's missing. And got openings over here, which is okay. Everything's, oops, let me kind of, turn this around and we can get more details here on the front. Right here is the front. It's got a cute little light right here. Like I said, the doorbell pushes it. I took the batteries out that I put in because it doesn't really, makes kind of a weird noise, but not like a doorbell. Of course, this is the price right here. Got it covered up. This piece is really cool looking with the details. Like I said, I'm going to take this one off. Look at all these details that it has. I'm sorry about that. The lighting. It's kind of dark in here, and I have my ring light on, and it's making shadows. I do love all the details. It's going to be so fun to do. This roof line is really neat. And like I said, this is missing. But I can do something with that. No big deal. Now I will be painting all of this black first. I don't know if I'm going to do the inside just yet. I might. We'll see. So, have you guessed how much I paid for this? You ready? All right. It was $5.49, but no, I did not pay that. It was half off, so I paid $2.97 with the tax. You can see this is really big. Go ahead and see if I can get the tape measure here and just see how tall this is and how wide it is. All right, I'm gonna see how tall this basically is. It looks like it might be with that little hump right here about 29 inches, maybe 28 and a half to 29. Can't see as far as I need to go here all the way. It's probably about 24 inches wide for this big section here. So I am really excited to get started on this. As I said, I am so excited to get started on this. I don't know how long this is going to take me to do it. Now, this year, I'm not going to try to do anything to the inside. I am going to paint everything black on the outside and the inside just to get a base coat going. I have things to fix here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I might try to make something with my Model Magic clay on here, and of course up here. At the top I got to do some kind of window, and that's perfect for my Model Magic clay. So I'll probably work on I got to clean it up first, of course, really good. And then I'll try to fix the things that I need to. Got to take that other section off. I might have to fix something over there. Like I I said, I might try to make some kind of a column here and get the window done. I need to make a door, which I don't think I have to do the door just yet because it looks like it might have been one that moved. I don't know yet. And then I will get it painted all black on the inside and out, and then get started with the Halloween theme on the outside. So I'm going to ask you for your opinion. Do you think that it would be better, because I'm kind of thinking that since I'm doing a lot of fall and Halloween DIY crafts coming up here, starting Saturday, I got one coming, and I thought maybe I could show you my progress. It won't be on the Saturday ones because I'm not going to get started on this yet, but I can show you the progress as I go, because I have a feeling that if I do one video, just even on the outside of this and fixing things, that it's going to be a really long video, even if I do a lot of editing. And I thought maybe you might want to see some progress, you know, of how it's coming along. So let me know down in the comments if you would like to see the progress as I go with little snippets at the end of my other videos, or if you'd like a really super long video, because or maybe a two-parter. I could do a two-parter. Yeah, I could do a part 1 and a part 2. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments what you think, and I guess I'm just so excited to get started on this. I can't believe I finally found one. Yes. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna do is clean it up, get it all whatever I need to fix, and then get it painted, and then figure out all the details that I want to do. And like I said, I do have a video coming up on Saturday. It's going to be a Halloween/fall crafting DIY for rustic, and you don't want to miss that one because I did something really cool. And I got more coming up in August. Yes, I'm trying to think, sorry. Tomorrow is August 1st. I can't believe it's going so fast, but actually I kind of like that. I'm not really a summer person. It just gets so hot for me, and fall is my favorite season, so I'm kind of ready for fall. So that's why I'm jumping into all the fall crafts is what I'm going to be doing. Oh, and I'm going to be doing my fall decorating probably this weekend. I'm going to get started, so I'll probably have a couple videos, hopefully here, if I can get everything done with all my crafting and my decorating. I can have a couple videos of that for you next week. All right, that's going to do it for the video. I hope everybody has a very wonderful day, and I will see you on Saturday. Bye for now.